This is Celcom Africa Limited. Welcome to today's tutorial on how to send bulk SMS using the Send Bulk Numbers SMS option. First, log into your account using our link mysms.celcomafrica.com. Then put in your username and password. Then log in. Once you've logged in, go to the option Send Bulk Numbers SMS. This is simple. Put in your numbers while separating them into a new line on the mobile numbers box. You can use any format of numbers. You can use 254, 07 or 7. Then choose your sender ID if you have several. In our case, you're going to use Celcom SMS sender ID. Then write your message on the message box. As you write the message, it shows you the number of characters left and the number of characters you're using. In this case, I've used only one SMS, meaning my account will be deducted one SMS. Then send time. You can choose now or you can choose a later date. Tomorrow up to 31st, you can choose a later date. For in our case, you're going to choose now. Then send. It shows you the number of messages you have sent and the length. Thank you.